For more than a decade, additive manufacturing has been praised for its capacity to innovate. But the industry is now at a turning point. The question is no longer, can we print it? It's, how can we print it reliably, repeatedly, and profitably at scale? Which raises a fundamental challenge. What is still missing for AM machines to reach the level of productivity required to truly compete with traditional manufacturing? To explore this production-driven perspective, we spoke with NIKON SLM Solutions.
Wow, it's an interesting question, and it makes me reflect. This is 10 years of Formnext, and I feel as though you're asking me a 10-year-old question. The truth is, what I would ask you is, what do I need to tell you to allow everybody to understand that this is just day-to-day life? We're standing here with a machine, the most productive machine in the industry. It can produce up to 2,000 cubic centimeters per hour of melted metal. It serves aerospace, defense, energy, automotive industries day in, day out, serving hundreds of thousands of operational hours. So I would say those who believe that this is not a reality today are simply hiding behind their own lack of progress. This is the reality of today's metal additive manufacturing.